Brady again from Barkau Automotive in Stockton, Illinois. I just wanted to showcase this new 2019 Chevrolet Blazer Premier. One of the biggest features you'll see on this vehicle is the large panoramic sunroof, fully automatic. Another great feature you'll find when you get in this vehicle is the camera in the rear view mirror, and also the camera features that you have in the infotainment screen. Another safety feature that it has is forward collision warning, as well as blind spot monitoring in each of the rear view mirrors. For luxury features in this Blazer Premier, you have navigation with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as Bluetooth, remote start, and OnStar. For other luxury features in this Blazer, you have dual climate control, heated and cooled front leather seats, as well as heated rear seats, along with a heated steering wheel. Before I leave, I just wanted to say another feature it had: wireless charging and all-wheel drive with 5 different modes. Come on in and check out this crazy good deal on this Blazer. Almost $7,000 off MSRP, priced at $45,146, or give me a call at 815-947-3331.